Suspect has a gun. Suspect has a gun. I'm gonna have to place you into custody at this moment for DUI. Vehicle just 1050. I need additional. Suspect's got a gun. Shots fired. I have the vehicle is engulfed in flames. I need EMS my location. Suspect will be taken off. Taser, taser, taser.
I can't.
4-4 taser deployed. Hello everybody, welcome to another cookie. Oh my god, these sirens. Hello everybody and welcome to another Cookie Bites gaming video. Today will be a state trooper. We have our undercover 2020 police utility interceptor. He's got the nice ram bar. It's got the spotlights, look at it. Very nice and shiny. So we'll be rolling with that today. Call sign 4033. Today we'll be rolling with the Glock 17. Check out this. Check out that. It's a pretty sweet gun. So we were rolling with that, and looks like we have a helicopter unit already up. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. Here we go. 4033, show me 10H unit radar by the firehouse. So let's go ahead and pop it on this guy. So that guy cannot be coming through there, mainly because that is a fire entrance. So I'm going to go ahead and pull him over. So I'm going to be pulling this guy over. Oh my lord, what is going on? So let's go ahead and try and make contact with him. Sorry for the sirens and everything, but okay.
I have a two-vehicle 1050. One car took off. My collar bleeds. He was hit. He's in the middle of the road, unable to move it.
Hello, sir. Chief Lick, the state trooper. How are you?
He believes it continued southbound. Again, there's that Kelvin and Ford. Believes the vehicle that hit him took off southbound. 10-4.
Marshal units, that vehicle that's involved in that
Okay,
crash,
so we have this annoying person right now.
Galvin is a suspect from Madison County.
10-4, interrupt. You want to tell from there, and what's the color of the escape?
The escape is silver. 306 Union Young David.
Well, sir, back there you can't be driving behind the firehouse because it's a fire truck only zone.
Marshal units, District 43, my complainant stated there is blood in the vehicle that's abandoned. The subject's probably on foot somewhere.
49 copies, 76.
Can I have your license, registration, and proof of insurance?
He's got a County P. Paul address in Stratford. Well, the owner of the vehicle does. Stand by for the suspect. He's got a County Road P. Paul Stratford address.
Sit there.
Marshal, is it known direction of travel for the
Okay, so we may be just giving him a verbal warning depending on what his information is. So let's go ahead and run his information. Let's log in, search. Which one is it? This one. So his license is active, and he's not wanted. Let's go ahead and run the vehicle. Valid, active, and not reported stolen. Okay.
That's fine.
Okay, sir, here's your information back. I will be letting you go with a verbal warning.
Marshal units, the father of that
Make
subject
sure
also in
you
Paul
don't
Stratford address.
go back
Just to the
there.
south, I can just make out a vehicle flashing on barely through the fog, quarter-mile south of Forest. Other units head there. It's Forest like the
Okay.
city or Forest like the number?
So, we're gonna be 10-8, and we're gonna be code for. Jeez, that car is on fire. Armed suspect at a gun store. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and check that out. Not that it matters, because freedom of bear arms, you know. Oh shoot, we have shots fired. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Shots fired. We have shots fired.
Just curious, do we know if you went east or not? Otherwise I'll go down to Million Lane and...
Suspect down, suspect down. We have shots fired. I would deploy my panic button right now, but I'm currently in a gunfight. Oh shoot, we're about to go down. Ugh.
And so they head away into trouble again. The people at the house are screaming. Someone yells, he's got a gun. A little girl full of panic cries out, Daddy, don't you shoot my mom. And that's where the cops come in. These women and men, 'cause they made a promise, and here they come. Someone heard and called 911, and the sirens saying hope is on the way. There's a hero racing to help a stranger today. When people in the world need saving, the saviors who answer the call don't get paid anymore for danger, or get to pick the ones they want. They just go to where the few will go, to maybe lay it all on the line as they do their job. Do it one more time, 'cause they made a promise, and here they come. Someone heard and called 911, and the sirens saying hope is on the way. There's a hero racing to help a stranger today.
Alright guys, we're back. We were evaluated. Everything's fine. We're good to go back on duty, so... Ooh.
I just wanted to know if you should be put back 76 to Cabana Circle or to the subject's address.
Yeah, I'll be 23 back on that town property case, and I'll be 76 to the Williams Road address to see if I can find the owner.
449-1120.
I don't care if you need gas. I tried to pull you over because you ran at the stop sign and crossed over yellows.
Caller's now been able to close the front door. He's now pounding on the door, trying to get in still. No flight float longer here.
I could take you in flank, but I'm going to be nice today and let you go with a citation. I'm going to pump some gas in our car. Some don't go anywhere. Have a good day.
Testing simulcast.
Dude, I should have taken him in for fleeing, but I'm not going to, only because I'm feeling not. Whoa, that guy's gonna damage that. Guys, this may be the end of this video. We're gonna be ending this video. So we hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the video. It was interesting. I got shot a million times, and so I'll see you guys next time on the Cookie Bites Gaming channel. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notification, and leave a like. Comment down what game you want me to play. I just bought several games in Steam, so I'll be playing those. As you gotta get them set up with my computer because they're not already set up with them. And so we will see you guys next time. Peace.